Hey dolls, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I am bringing to you a Aunt Jackie's wash and style day routine video. I'm super excited. I'm going to be using their whole line. Let's get started. Step one was I rinsed my hair in the shower with cool water, and then I'm going to apply their intense moisture clarifying shampoo. I really like this shampoo because it was created to take out all your buildup while also adding essential moisture to your hair, which is very important. I feel like a lot of shampoos are meant to clean your hair, but then your hair is super dry, and this shampoo did not do that at all. As you can see, I was very generous with it. I did this 4 times, and then I rinsed it out with cold water. As you can see, the shampoo is really lathering, so I knew that my hair was going to be squeaky clean by the time I was done. After I finished shampooing my hair, I went and rinsed it out with cool water, and then I used their thirst quenching recovery conditioner. This conditioner was created to hydrate your hair and leave your hair feeling super soft and moisturized after you shampoo. I definitely did like this conditioner. This conditioner is very thick, so I was able to use a really generous amount. And I also noticed that this conditioner made my hair super easy to detangle. I had not combed my hair in about a good 5 days before I washed my hair, and in the video you can literally see I did not comb my hair. Now I'm going to do the same thing to my back section. I use a generous amount. I'm going to run it through my hair. Really make sure that I get all of my strands so that none of it is left dry. Y'all, you know you really like a conditioner when you just start putting so much of it on your hair. Like, you like, nah, this is working, I gotta put more. This conditioner was really good, y'all. Like, when I tell you I used a lot of the bottles for this one wash day because my hair was so dry before I washed my hair. So it definitely needed this. If you're looking for a conditioner to really make sure your hair is moisturized, make sure your hair smells good, your curls are defined, bouncy, gives shine and everything to your hair, I definitely recommend that you try this. I'm doing the same process all over my hair, putting the conditioner in, combing it through, twisting it, and once I'm finished doing all of this, I'm going to rinse my conditioner out with cool water, and then I am going to start blow drying. I decided for my style I wanted to do a flexi rod set, so I wanted to blow dry my hair just so that it wasn't wet the next morning and it would have a little bit more bounce and life to it. So for my Flexi Rod set, I decided to use the Frizz Patrol Setting Mousse. This mousse was created to soften and hydrate your hair. I also know that mousse gives your curls, especially your Flexi Rod set, a little bit more hold to it and less frizz. I also used their Ice Curls Glossy Curling Jelly. So the curling jelly was created to elongate your hair, give it shine, definition, and also make it soft, which is perfect if you are doing a braid out, a twist out, or any type of style where you need your curls to be elongated. This will be the perfect product for you. Right, I'm going to go to sleep and show you guys my results in the morning. Good morning. Alright, so I'm ready to take out my Flexi Rod set. I'm super excited. I know it's going to come out raw. My hair is super shiny, soft, and the mousse definitely helped a lot. My hair feels like the curls will not drop throughout the day. Overnight, my scarf did fall off, so some of my roots was frizzy. I decided to use a flexible styling glue, which was created to control frizz, layer edges, and give you a smooth finish, which is perfect to give me the perfect finish look. And it is Halloween, so I decided to be a Playboy bunny. There's my ears. Hold on, wait. There's my bustier. Okay, something's missing. Yes, there goes my bow. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Thanks so much for watching.